on my YouTube video channel. Okay, I will teach you two topics today. First topic is how to write two and more than two rational number between the two rational number, and another topic I will teach you how to write any rational number on a number line. Okay, before it we should know what is the rational number and irrational number, and what is the difference between the irrational number and irrational number. Okay students, let's start now. The number which can be written in the form of P upon Q, those are called rational number. Okay, numbers in which Q not equal to 0. I mean to say वह नंबर जो P upon Q की फॉर्म में लिखे जा सकते हैं वो रेशनल नंबर कहलाते हैं. ठीक है. ओके, जहां पर Q की वैल्यू 0 नहीं होनी चाहिए. ओके, एंड नाउ I am giving some example. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Any whole number, any integer, positive, negative. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. All are these also rational number. And this is 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 6, 7 upon 8. These number are also rational number. Okay, because these are written in the form of P upon Q. In these three examples, Q not equal to 0. I mean to say denominator should not be 0. Okay, and you can also put 1 after upon these numbers, and these numbers are also rational number like P upon Q. Okay, 0 numerator should be 0. Numerator can be 0, but denominator in rational number should not be 0. You should remember it always. Okay, and in a decimal number 3.14, 1.56, you can take any example. Okay, these are also rational numbers. These two examples is an rational numbers examples. These two examples is terminating decimal form. Now I am going to tell you what is the difference between the rational and the irrational number. Okay students, where is my duster? This is the number like root 3, root 5, root 7, root 4, root 9, root 16. These numbers are in roots, but some of them are rational number and some of them are irrational number. These numbers are rational number because we can find root value of this number in whole number like this. Okay, the root value of 9 is 3. This is also whole number. Whole number is also a rational number, and root value of 16 is 4. This is also whole number, and whole number is a rational number. We cannot find out the root value in whole numbers. Okay, so these numbers are irrational number. Okay, and now irrational number 1.434343 dot 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 and 1.4567893714 dot 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 dot. Okay, this is a non-terminating number but repeating number. 3 is repeating. Okay, and in this number, this is also non-terminating number, but digits are not repeating, so this is irrational number. Okay, and this is rational number. Rational number are those numbers which are terminating or non-terminating but repeating. Irrational number only those numbers which are non-terminating and non-repeating. This can be written in the form of P upon Q, but this irrational number, any irrational number you cannot write in the form of P upon Q. Okay. Now I start the first topic, how to write 2 or more than 2 rational numbers between 2 rational numbers. Okay, let's start. Take an example 1/4 and 1/3. हमने यहाँ पर तो एक एग्जाम्पल ले लिया 1/4 and 1/3. We have to write 2 rational number between these two numbers. How we will write 2 rational number? Write 2 rational number between 1/4 and 1/3. How will you solve it? this question is asking write two rational number between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3. First of all, we should make the denominator same of all of these two rational number, 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3. How you will make the denominator same of these two numbers? This is the denominator of this rational number, okay, and this denominator multiply numerator and denominator in the first rational number, okay, like this. And the denominator of this rational number is 4, okay, and this denominator multiply by numerator and denominator and with another rational number, okay, and multiply this numerator to numerator and denominator and 4 1 ja 4, okay, 4 3 ja 12. You will see we have got the same denominator of these two numbers. Now the question has arise, what is the question is asking? We have to write two rational number between these two numbers. You can take one more number than the given number. यदि आपसे पूछ रहा है कि हमें दो रेशनल नंबर निकालने हैं, सबसे पहले तो आपको डिनोमिनेटर सेम करनी है इनके, मैंने जैसे कि आपको बताया पहले, उनको डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करने के बाद आपको करना क्या है कि इनके डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो जाने के बाद इस दो रेशनल नंबर पूछ रहा है तो आप 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए, और यदि 3 पूछ रहा है तो वो 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए, 4 से मल्टीप्लाई 4 नंबर पूछ रहा है तो 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए। यानी जितना पूछेगा, जैसे यहाँ पर 2 पूछ रहा है तो हमने एक ज़्यादा ले लिया, ये ज़्यादा मीन्स 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया ऊपर नीचे दोनों, या न्यूमरेटर में एंड डिनोमिनेटर में, ओके, मल्टीप्लाई by 3, because the question is asking write two rational number. If the question is asking write 3 rational number, you should have to multiply 4 by 4 in numerator and denominator in the both fractions. But the question is asking write two rational numbers, so we have to multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator in both fractions, okay. Now 3 3 is 9, 12 3 is 36, okay, and 4 3 is 12 and 4 3 is 36, and write the three numbers between these two numbers. What are they? 10, 11, okay, sorry, write the two numbers 10 and 11, okay, 36. These are the two rational number between these two numbers. There are so many numbers between any two numbers, okay, like this. You can find 3 rational number or 4 rational number. I will teach you or find 5 rational number. What will be you do? You have to multiply. Now you have to multiply by 6 instead of 3. The question is asking write 5 rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. So you should take one more number than 5. 1 plus 6 and multiply this 6 by numerator and denominator in both fractions like this. Okay, now multiply 6 3s are 18 upon 72 and 24 by 72. Okay, now write the between numbers, middle number between these two numbers. 19 by 72, 20 by 72, 21 by 72, 22 by 72, 23 by 72. These are the 5 rational numbers. There are so many numbers between these two numbers. You can find 2 and more than 2 using this formula, this trick. Okay, and by this trick. Now I am going to solve another question and another topic. The topic is how to write, how to show any rational number on a number line. Okay students, we have given any rational number like this, 4 by 5. You have to show this rational number on a number line. How will you show? Okay, this is the 0. First of all, divide. We will check 4 is divided by 5 or not. 4 is not divided by 5. We will divide 4 by 5. The quotient will be 0. Okay, and first of all, and take the denominator. The whole number is 0, so you can take one more number, then the quotient -1 और +1. ओके, सबसे पहले आपको देखना है, इसमें डिवाइड लगा के देखना है. डिवाइड 0 बार जा रहा है तो 1 नंबर ले लेंगे. यदि डिवाइड 2 बार जा रहा है तो आपको 2 टाइम्स जा रहा है तो आपको यहाँ पर 3 नंबर्स लेना है. यदि 4 बार डिवाइड जा रहा है नीचे वाले नंबर का, डिनोमिनेटर का, ऊपर वाले नंबर में, तो 5 नंबर्स तक लेने हैं. ठीक है. नाउ यू हैव 5 पार्ट्स ऑफ ईच सेक्शन बिकॉज द डिनोमिनेटर इज 5. अब आपको करना क्या है कि हर सेक्शन में 5-5 पार्ट लेने, क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में 5 है. 1 2 3 4 एंड 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay. Now count from the 0 to the right side, because the given number is in positive. The given number is in positive. You will go to the right side of the number, and if the number is negative, you will go to the left side of the 0. Okay, so you will go 4 step, 1 2 3 4 from the 0, and you can write 4 by 5, sorry, here. This is the way to show the rational number on a number line. Okay. If another question is, I have minus 7 upon 2. Draw a number line like this. Put 0 in the middle of the line and now divide 7 by 3. Okay, 2 3 is 6. Okay, the whole number is 0 in the quotient. आपने देखा कि क्वोशिएंट में होल नंबर 0 आया है, सॉरी 3 आया है, तो आपको 3 नहीं लेना, उससे एक ज्यादा लेना है. 1 2 3 4. जैसे यहाँ पर 3 आ रहा है तो आपने 4 नंबर इधर भी ले लिए, 4 नंबर इधर भी ले लिए. 1 2 3 and 4. ओके, अब यदि 4 आ रहा है तो यहाँ आपको 5 नंबर्स लेने हैं. 1 2 3 4. 1 -1 -2 -3 and -4. Okay, now these each section will be divided into 2 parts because the denominator is 2. यहाँ पर आपके पास डिनोमिनेटर 2 है, इसलिए आपको यहाँ पर हर सेक्शन के 2 पार्ट्स करने पड़ते हैं. जितने ही पहले सेक्शन बना लिए, फिर उसके बाद डिनोमिनेटर को देखते हैं, चेक करते हैं कि डिनोमिनेटर में कितना दिया है. डिनोमिनेटर में 2 दिया है तो आपको हर पार्ट्स को 2 पार्ट्स करने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है, ओके, लाइक दिस 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. After that you will count 7 from the 0 to the left side because the given rational number is in negative. Okay, so you will count 7 from the 0 to the left side of the 0. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 minus 7 by 2. This is the way you can follow it to solve another problems in your book. Okay, if there are so many numbers are given to you, so on a number line like 1 by 3 2 by 4 1 by 3 2 by 4 2 by 3 minus 5 by 3 and 7 by 3. First of all, draw a number line like this and put 0 between the line. Now the greatest number is 7 by 3. Okay, so you will divide 7 by 3, you will get 2. Okay, in whole number. So you write 3 parts. You have to do 3 parts of both sides. You should always remember these numbers should be, the denominator should be equal. If you are showing these numbers on a number line, if the denominator are not equal, you should first make them equal. Okay, after that you can show these numbers on a number line. Okay, now you will check what is the denominator of these 4 rational number. All these 4 rational numbers denominator is 3 3 3 3. Okay, now 1 2 3. Okay, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, and each section should be divided into 3 parts because the denominator is 3. Okay, like this 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, and now you have to write this number on a number line. This is a positive rational number, so you would go to the right side of the 0. Now count 1 from the 0. 1. Write 1 by 3 here. Okay. And the another number is 2 by 3. This is also positive number. So now count 2 from the 0 to the right side of the 0. Okay. 2, 1, 2. Okay. 2 by 3. And the third number is minus 5 by 3. And now you should go to the left side of the 0 because the given number is in negative. Okay. Now count 5 from the 0 to the left side of the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 5 by 3. And now last number, this is the positive number, so you will go to the right side of the 0. Okay, now count the 7 from the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now write this number at this place. This is the way to show any rational number on a number line. Okay, students, you can solve any problem of exercise number 1.2. If you are facing any problem, to solve the exercise, you can ask me on WhatsApp group. Okay, I hope you have understood this concept, how to write two rational number between two rational number or more than two rational number, and how to show any rational number on a number line. So students, take care. Bye bye.